As you can see, the wind's come up under and broke shingles. As you can see, the shingle's about ready to break. And as I inspect closer, I can see that these shingles have been raised from the wind all over the place. Got a lot of raised shingles that aren't sealing anymore on these. And this will continue throughout the rest. So we're gonna see if we can get this out without doing any more damage. So I'm gonna pull the shingle out. And because of the lap like that, we have rusted nail heads now. Rain has come in underneath and rusted the nail heads. Very easy to get this up. Yep, rusted nails, not good. We're about to pull this one out. I'm gonna put it over here. Oh yeah, there's nothing holding these. The wind's picked them all up. And more rusted nail heads. Starting to rust. These nail heads are starting to rust as well. Tops. Oh, it just broke right through. Oh, that came right out easy. Yep. Alright. Let's see if we can get another one in. Have it. Have it. And we'll have to caulk all of this because nothing is sticking.
God, there's a lot of asphalt running down while you're doing this.
Oh, I know. Look at all that. Yeah, not good. Have to literally glue every single one down because it's just not holding anymore.
Yeah, well, we got a bunch more shingles here. Like, what do you want to do about it?
I think we're wasting our time doing this because it's just going to continue with the next wind. I'd have to go on every single one and hit glue every single one down. It's not worth it. It's too much work. This roof's got too much damage. If it was maybe one or two little spots, I guess they could get away with it short term, but you know, the next 20, 30 mile an hour wind that comes right through here, they're all gonna keep doing this, flapping. And you can see this starting it all over. So this flapping is gonna continue.
Yeah, and it appears that like doing the repair is like damaging the row above it.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Comes right out. All those nail heads underneath where the wind had come in and flapped in that rain, all those nail heads are all rusted. So I mean, they'll just continue to rust, even doing the repair. The ones above it are going to continue to rust. So.
All right, well, let's get out of here and we'll let the homeowner know the bad news.
Yeah. All right. Have a good day.